Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I have been asked to try out something that I actually really liked, and it is something called Mapiful. It is what you see behind me. It's a map of my hometown, Stockholm in Sweden, and Mapiful asked me to do a review. And I love to do it because I'm really pleased with what I got. What is Mapiful? Well, it's a site that you go to and you can order different types of maps. You can order either like this, a city map. You can type in any address or any place, little village or town or whatever you want to, and you can get that on the map. So it can be a very personal place for you, which I really like, because that way you get exactly what you want. It's not just a normal, picture of Stockholm or a picture of New York or whatever. You can actually get the little street you grew up on or anything else. I chose to have Hollow Stockholm because that's where I grew up. I didn't grow up in Stockholm, but I grew up in the suburbs and I spent a lot of time in Stockholm. So that's why. But you don't have to have a normal street map. You can actually order a star constellation, for example. You can put in your birth date and you can get your star sign on there. So you get that as a what it looks like on the star sign. I'm going to show everything here for you so you can see that. You can also have different designs. You can choose your own text to put on there. And then you can add a frame or just some holders if you want to. There's loads and loads of different ways to order your print. And I really like that because it gives you the options that you want. I was to begin with, I was going to order something for my husband. But I know the place he grew up and I know everything about that. But I didn't know the exact streets and I didn't know if I could fit them in the right place because I didn't want the map to show something and his street being outside of it. So I chose Stockholm and I'm happy with that because where I live now, it's far from Stockholm, and also I miss Stockholm. Of course I do. It's an absolutely gorgeous city and it is, I really can't compare it to much else. It's a happy place and wintertime is stunning. It's gorgeous at Christmas time with all the lights, snow hopefully, and of course I miss it. It's my hometown, but I don't miss what it's become, and that's why I chose to leave. So this is Mapiful. I hope you like it. It's a really good present or a Christmas gift maybe for someone if you want to. And you can, like I said, you can choose anything and different styles, different templates. There's anything and it is so easy. You just put in whatever they ask you to do and up it comes. So good luck with it. Hope you liked it, and make sure you have a little look down below at the link. And thank you so much to Mapiful for actually gifting me this and giving me the opportunity to try it out because I'm really happy with it. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give me a little like or comment if you want to. If you have any questions about this at all, just ask me and I will do my very best to answer. and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys.